Hey guys, I'm Alyse with Heart of Austin Homes Team.
Take two.
Take two. This is 1704 Summit View in 78703. And if I can get out this way without hurting myself, let's go check out the house. So this house is actually 3,100 square feet. Actually, let's double check. Can everybody hear me? Yes? Okay. So 3,100 square feet, has 4 beds, 3.5 baths. It's priced at $1,399,000.
All right, how's the sound now?
And for this zip code, we're in 78703.
All right, Dave says yes.
Nice. The median sales price for the last couple months has been between $1.1 and $1.3 million. So this is actually very normally priced. Additionally, you're on 0.4 acres in 78703 with 3,100 square feet, tons of driveway space, huge old trees. It's amazing.
Yeah, let's get a shot of the tree real quick too.
Yeah.
It's like the big classic oak.
I know.
Right, like the house is built around it.
And the swing is built off of it, etc.
Yeah, the swing is my favorite part, and the BMX racetrack.
So let's check it out. So immediately when you come in, it's a great entertaining space. I like how they've laid it out. That was a really intelligent choice. And
straight into the sitting area.
Lots of arched doorways, of rounded doorways, which
hey, Mimi.
With the oh nice, hey Mimi, with full molding and everything like that. Lots of 5-inch crown molding. Unique light fixtures. I mean, really the whole works. It has a lot of what seems to be the original flooring, in addition to crazy high ceilings.
Like a walnut or an oak floor.
Yeah.
Solid wood.
So it's built in 1926. Over here is your formal dining, leading into your kitchen. In 78703, there are 43 active homes in January. And only 23 sold, so it looks like we're doing about 50% of inventory selling per month.
2 months.
Additionally, you have stainless steel appliances throughout the kitchen, and I love how they found every nook and cranny they possibly could to add extra cabinetry to it. Back here behind the kitchen, you have a cute little study.
Study. It's where I like to spend my time.
Yeah, this would be John's spot right here.
Yeah. It's my quiet space for journaling, meditation, and playing on my computer, basically.
Very large computer screens.
To block these beautiful views of the pool.
Beautiful view of the pool.
So you can, make sure your kids aren't drowning.
So I really do think this is incredibly well laid out for entertaining, other than the fact that there's a bazillion trip hazards as all the levels go up and down.
Oh, I love those.
I know, it really is dynamic. It's very interesting. But this entire floor is just fantastic for entertaining. Out here, obviously, pool, hot tub.
Another step.
Built in. Yeah, exactly. You have a playscape, a bit of yard over here, so the kids can play, but it's fenced in, so you're not concerned about that. It really is just quite lovely and perfect.
Well, you figure it's been here for 100 years, so they've had some time to get it right.
It's almost 100 years old.
Yeah, not quite 100 years.
Wow.
America,
years.
we're starting to get old now.
We're getting
such a young nation.
Even in Texas.
Yeah, our 100-year-old homes.
All right. So then you get into more of a TV room, informal living. Feel in here.
Step down.
Built-in shelving and such. Who did you say?
I said step down.
Yeah, I know. There's lots. There's one. There's one on every floor.
I like sunken living rooms, but it keeps you agile, right? You have to be fit because otherwise you're going to trip and hurt yourself in your own home.
So it is 3 stories. There's a downstairs. We'll get to that. And there's an upstairs. We'll get to that. Through here is the master suite, and probably guests would be my best idea for how this room would be used. So this is at the front of the house. Guests.
I love the shutters.
Obviously, because it's a 1920s house, the closets are not overwhelming. But
evidently, we had less stuff in the 20s.
Yeah, apparently we had priorities.
We're too busy going to jazz clubs.
TVs. Ooh, that sounds amazing. Let's do that. I haven't even looked through here.
You want to do the bathroom?
It's just, that's right. This is the master bath. And I really like it. So first of all, hexagonal tile is really in right now. This
Even
is
in
like
modern
hexagonal
stuff.
marble.
They've redone it. That's nice.
Really nicely decorated. Has the original cabinetry that you'll find built into all these with the laundry chute and everything. And I think this is really cute. The arched doorway into a bathtub nook. Has a nice high shower head, so they probably had to lift that up because most shower heads early on were, you know, down here. And you're like, this is like
People got taller over
a
time.
quad workout to take a shower. But cute little garden tub. So that's, I think, well done. And then over here is the master. This is just a coat or regular closet. But here we have the master. One thing to note about this is that the master bath is not right off it. You have to go out into common space. Additionally, there is no master closet. There's master cabinetry that has, I believe, some hanging room in it, but there's no official master closet.
You have to sacrifice a few things for charm.
I mean, it is well done, and it looks out over your cute little yard out there. I mean, and it's the ceilings are high. It's quite lovely, despite that.
Do you want to go down or up next?
Let's go up.
The guitar is not included, Larry. Up.
You know, honestly, for 1.39.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, they can probably, you know,
They could
get a guitar.
probably throw in a
Now,
guitar.
this is the fun part. Like, I'm going up these stairs in this corner, and I'm thinking, there's no way this would pass code. These stairs are way too high, and the turn rate is way too steep. I have had stairs had to be pulled out for being this steep before. So
They are counting this in the bedroom count,
Yeah.
and it's a cool little dormer. So come check this out.
Not to be confused with those pointy hats in the Middle Ages that princesses wore. Those are dormers.
Relate to Princess Hat.
And then there's also Natalie dormer.
So this has more cabinetry than the master bedroom. It has tons of built-in drawers, built-in shelves, built-in shelves, built-in shelves, nook, huge closet nooks, etc. And it has a cute little bathroom out here. That is, however, kind of short. Obviously, you don't have the ceilings that you do
Yeah,
downstairs.
you 6-footers. This is like, you're just barely scraping the ceiling.
Yeah. Sean his head is about 3 inches from the ceiling.
Yeah.
But cute. It has a cute little attic-y feel to it. So.
Okay. Handrails, use them.
Let's go check out the downstairs.
These feel like a 6-inch drop.
Because there's a whole other bedroom on the bottom floor.
And downstairs is pretty cool. Okay. Watch your step.
Watch your step again. This is a deep, deep stair there too. Quirky old house. These sound like there's cement under the stairs. Like this doesn't sound.
Yeah, it's like this solid.
And then you get down and you do have the
refinished basement.
Yeah. So this is cool. It has this kind of TV room, common area, a whole wall of closetry here, and then you know, your mudroom, coat hooks and shoe racks and such here, an extra refrigerator. So you really could have this be almost its own little apartment with a sink here, where your washer dryer is here. More closet space, and then you go through a bathroom, notably kind of odd. I like this wainscoting here.
Again, charming, quirky.
Charming, quirky, and into another bedroom. So, and this one looks out over the front, has the front house shutters. I mean, it's really quite cute.
It's very romantic. It's like
very
you would write
romantic.
a novel here.
I could totally write a novel. I'm going to write a novel here.
Right? You'd write a novel
Please
about
buy
your,
this house, and I will write a novel
about your beach adventures.
about you
when you were a teenager or something.
in this house. So, on that note, let's go sing a song. We'll start with that one. How's that? So, you may be following my ear saga. MRI is done, and I've been cleared for singing, so that part's nice.
Ding, ding, ding. That's an MRI sound for those of you uninitiated.
Except for really, really loud.
Yeah.
I actually slept through the MRI, and the MRI tech said, "Wow, you don't hear that very often." And I go, "Well, I have a 4-month-old."
Take it where you can get it.
At which point he said, "Okay, that makes sense."
Very pricey nap, and you got some imaging done.
So this is an old one of mine that I haven't been playing in a while, and that I kind of missed. So I figured I'd break it out if I can remember the lyrics. I'm not asking for much, just everything you've got. I hear you're rich, baby, rich in all those things that can't be bought. So I'll give you my heart, make a lovely clean incision. Oh, I'm terrified, of course. Please say I made the right decision. When my heart is making silent, lifelong promises. When who knows if you'll stay. I'm not over you yet. Yeah, your teeth, they dig so deep. I love you, bite, baby, bite. So I pretend that I'm asleep. Oh, and we got all the time, though. Still I beg for more. I forgot this little dream was just a murmuring metaphor. When my heart is making silent, lifelong promises. When who knows if you stay. Today, when soft goodbyes are little lies, when you love so much it hurts. Soft goodbyes are little lies. I keep my tears in my purse because my heart is making silent, lifelong promises. When who knows if you stay over. I will love you through tomorrow, and I hope you love me too. When come what may tomorrow, it's sweet love, it's sweet love, it's sweet love for today. Thanks, guys. Thank you for tuning in to The Singing Realtor. Thank you for checking out 1704. We love this little house, so if you know anybody who might be interested in buying, let me know. Also, if you just know anybody who wants to buy or sell in Austin, we would really love to help them. And otherwise, have a fantastic day, and I'll sing for you shortly. Bye, guys.